Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is t to the power of t to the power of 2 equals 16. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. So I can start by saying let x equals t power 2. If that is the case, that means this t to the power of 2, we are going to replace it with x. So we will have t to the power of x equals 16. Now I can make use of natural log. I can have natural log of t power x equals natural log of 16. Now, when you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a, meaning that the x here will come behind this natural log. So I have x times natural log of t equals natural log of 16. Now, if you observe, there is t here, and in this part, we have t here, so we need to make sure these two variables are the same. So let's recopy this equation here and isolate t. So for us to isolate t, I need to multiply this exponent by 1 over 2. That means I'm going to have x power 1 over 2. I also multiply this exponent by 1 over 2. I have t power 2 raised to the power 1 over 2. Now, what I will do again will be to multiply this exponent, because if I have a power x raised to the power of y equals a power x times y. So we'll have x power 1 over 2 equals t power 2 times 1. This is 2, and we have divided by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what I will have here is simply x power 1 over 2 equals t. So x power 1 over 2 equals t. That means I'm going to replace this t here with x power 1 over 2. So this whole equation, I'm going to have x times natural log of x power 1 over 2 equals natural log of 16, right? So from here, I'll have x times natural log of x power 1 over 2 equals natural log of 16. Of natural log of 16 is simply 4 to the power of 2. And just like what we said earlier on, if you have natural log of a power b, you have b times natural log of a. So the 2 will come behind this. I will have 2 times natural log of 4. So that means you will have x times natural log of x power 1 over 2, just like this. This is 2 times natural log of 4. This also will come behind this. So we will also have x times 1 over 2, that is x over 2 times natural log of x equals 2 times natural log of 4. So to eliminate this fraction here, I can decide to multiply each part of this equation by 2. Then I also multiply this by 2. So 2 times this, we are going to have 2x divided by 2 times natural log of x equals 2 times 2. Here we have 4 times natural log of 4. So from here, 2 eliminates 2. Of x times natural log of x equals 4 times natural log of 4. So from here, I have x, I have x, I have 4, I have 4. So what I'm going to do will be to equate. I have x equals 4, right? And recall, that is not all. Recall that x power 1 over 2 is t. So you have that means t equals x power 1 over 2. And x is 4, so we have t equals 4 power 1 over 2. So to solve for, or to simplify this further, if you have x power 1 over 2, this simply means square root of x, right? So this is just like writing square root of 4. And square root of 4 is simply plus or minus 2, right? Now, this is one method of solving this exponential problem. So let's solve it using another method of t power 2 equals 16. Now, based on the fact that we have 2 here, in this other method, I'm going to raise each part of the equation to the power of 2. Of t power 2, this is raised to the power of 2, equals 16 to the power of 2. Now, this t power 2 will represent my x, and this will represent my y. Then if you have a to the power of x raised to the power of y, this means a power y raised to the power of x. So the y will come inside the bracket while the x will go outside the bracket. So let's apply that here. So I will have t raised to the power of 2, the y coming inside the bracket, and this raised to the power of t power 2. That means x coming outside the bracket. And this equals 16 power 2. So from here, I'll simply have t to the power of 2 raised to the power of t power 2 equals 16. 16 is the perfect square, which is 4 to the power of 2. And this is raised to the power of 2, right? Now, you have a power x raised to the power of y. This equals a power x times y. So we need to multiply this exponent. And from here, I'll have t power 2 raised to the power of t power 2 equals 4 power 2 times 2. That is 4. So from here, I'll have t power 2 equals 4 because this and this are the same. So you can also equate them to this and this because they are also the same. So to solve for t, I'll get the square root of both sides of this equation. This cancel this, so I'll have t equals square root of 4 is simply plus or minus 2. So we have two values for t in both solutions and they are the same. So the two values are the same. So what we are going to do again will be to check. So let's check by inserting these values for t. T equals 2, t equals negative 2, t power 2 equals 16. Let's start with when t equals 2. This will be 2 power 2 equals 16. This is 4. 2 power 2 is 4, so I have 2 power 4 equals 16. And 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 16. And this equals 16. Alright, let's also consider when t equals negative 2. I'll have t power 2 equals 16. And t equals negative 2. That is negative 2 power negative 2 power 2 equals 16. Now, negative 2 to the power of 2 means negative 2 times negative 2, and that is positive 4. So this will give us 4. And I have negative 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. And when you have negative to the power of an even number, that will give you positive. So this will give you the sentence to power 4. This equals 16. And 2 to the power of 4 here is 16 plus 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We have 16 equals 16. So the both sides are now the same. The both solutions are the same. So that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.